Ever wondered how some people earn profits without traditional trading? Let me introduce you to P2P Arbitrage, a strategy that's all about buying low and selling high across peer-to-peer crypto platforms. As always, if you want real-time updates, early crypto alerts, and step-by-step help, join my Telegram channel. The link's in the description. I'll see you there. P2P arbitrage is the process of buying cryptocurrency at a lower price on one platform, then selling it for a higher price on another, instantly profiting from the price difference. It doesn't require advanced trading skills, just a keen eye and quick execution. Let's say USDT is selling for $1 on Binance P2P, and someone on another platform is buying it for $1.05. You buy on Binance, sell it elsewhere, and pocket the difference. No technical analysis, just market awareness. Popular platforms for P2P arbitrage include Binance P2P, OKX P2P, Paxful, LocalBitcoins. Always check local fiat prices, fees, and payment method policies. Start small and scale slowly. Use trusted platforms and verified users. Watch out for transaction fees and transfer limits. Avoid scams. Never send funds outside of escrow-protected platforms. P2P arbitrage isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right strategy, it can be a consistent way to earn on price gaps. Want more crypto strategies like this? Subscribe to Airdrop Insider and join my Telegram channel for real-time tips and updates.